Okay, here we are, cooking snails 101. Step 1, get your head torch. Go spotlighting, find some snails like this. So these snails are originally from Africa. They're an invasive species in a lot of countries around the world. And they get quite big. They get easy as big as your fist. We collected about 1.5 kilos of these. And basically you wash them, and then hot water with a bit of salt. You actually put cold water in first with the salt and then the snails when they're washed, and then bring it to the boil and let them boil for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So that's step 1, catch the snails. Step 2, clean them, really give them a really good wash and get all the slime off. And then step 3, bring them to the boil with a little bit of salt water. And then from here, we're going to drop them in some cold water. And then when they cool down and they're handleable, we'll pull them all out one by one, and then we'll go from there. So there we go. So that's what you're going to end up with, the snail meat, which is basically the foot of the snail. Every kilo that you gather and process, you probably end up with about 200 grams. So not a lot of meat. Half of it's slime gland and gizzard. You get rid of that, separate that, and then you're left with the meat here. So oil first, take out of the shell, process. The trick is to rinse it in a big pot, rinse them, keep the water flowing at the right speed, and you squish them between your hands so all the slime comes out and then flows out of the pot. And then you end up with the snails like this. So from here is going to go basically a stir-fry dish. Chili, garlic, ginger, maybe a bit of coconut, maybe some lemongrass. And stir fry that with some veggies on rice. So that is the invasive African snail. You can see some of the larger ones actually had eggs as well. So. Snail caviar, ooh. Wonder if that's a thing in France. I will give it a crack anyway. I don't really believe in killing and eating animals, but if you're going to do it, make sure they're feral invasive species. Leave the natives alone. Oh, look at that. Snail surprise. Okay, here are our snails after they've been washed. We've got a bit of a garlic, chili, ginger, fish sauce mix there. Bit of marinade. And these ones are just been salt and pepper just in the frying pan. And they are delicious. And we've also got a little bit of a peanut chili fish mix here that we're going to add in for a bit of different flavour. And this one is squid soup. So some squid in there as well. So for now, we're going to go with the garlic, chili, ginger. Straight into the pan. Boom. Crank that up on some high heat. garlic, chili, ginger. Lots of stir-fry dishes, yeah. The base, garlic, chili, ginger. There's some peanuts in there as well. You can put kaffir lime leaves. You can put the baby onions. Let that go. So this will be a different flavour. And then our other ones over here, we'll do a bit different again. These ones will add in our whitebait. Whitebait. And chili. Mix that around with the snails. And they'll get more of a dry fry. Come out maybe a little bit more crispy like these ones. Oh, delicious. Yeah? Probably cook this till most of the juice is gone. Dehydrated, evaporated. What's that? Is it delicious? Okay, you're gonna eat one? Yeah. They're really good. I take the crumbs. Last big one for you.
Thank you. Yum.
Rice Paddy Kitchen. There we go, guys. There's a couple of quick recipes for you. Enjoy your snail hunting.